Bryan Zayas, Transportation Systems Architect, Hillsborough County. Our priority is safety and mobility. Cybersecurity is also one of the priorities, and we always make sure that we comply with that.
My name is William Johnson. I'm an engineering associate here at Hillsborough County's Traffic Management Center. We put out a contract last year for a new centralized traffic signal system.
The traffic network has thousands of different devices, from school beacons to the actual traffic controllers, cameras, detection systems, and we're going to incorporate now connected vehicle applications. The challenge is always the timeline, so you always have to be flexible with the scope, and we are grateful for Applied Information that they were able to accommodate the security requirements of our network and to integrate and communicate both networks securely, and that's something that we added after the project had already started. The implementation started with a VPN client and a VPN server working together. We gave a new requirement to the Applied Info Glance team, was to do a side-to-side IPsec tunnel, encrypted secure communications to better improve the communications and keep our traffic network secure and isolated from the internet.
The fact that it's a web-based application, that I don't need certain access rights or, the use of VPNs and things of that nature, it frees me up to be able to access the application from, multiple different devices, a laptop, a tablet, a cell phone, or, anything of that nature.
All the information is encrypted, and we can control all the communications between the different devices from both sides. We can choose which devices are allowed to communicate and which applications are not allowed. We're using the glance in two different ways. For those intersections that have no communications to us and never had it, we can actually use the glance as our primary means of communications, and we use their routed network to connect via the IPsec tunnel to our network, and so we can, for the first time, perform timing changes on those signals that we never were able to do before. On the flip side, if we already have communications and for whatever reason it fails, we can still use the glance communication as a failover system. It helps with the resiliency of the network.
The glance system itself, I think we selected the right system, and I think it's a win from the Hillsborough County side.
I think we've been successful with our goals of the project so far.